If you're still opening a weather app just to check the conditions before you go on a trip, you're doing it the hard way. Open Apple Maps and zoom in on your city destination. Most people have no idea this exists because it looks a bit decorative, but it's actually a live, interactive button. Long press and a weather window pops up over your map, giving you a localized forecast for that exact location. But here's the real power move. If you tap that pop-up window one more time, it instantly bounces you directly into the Apple Weather app, automatically loaded with the deep dive forecast. It's super convenient. Now, if you've ever lost your phone call audio while using your AirPods when you started your car, this next hidden setting is for you. There's a hidden toggle tucked deep inside your settings that will prevent your audio from jumping to your car or another Bluetooth device. Go to Settings, General, tap AirPlay and Continuity. Look for Keep Audio with Headphones and toggle it on. It locks your active audio stream straight to your AirPods or your Bluetooth headphones. Even if your phone detects your car's Bluetooth, or even another Bluetooth speaker, it forces the audio to stay where you intended it until you choose otherwise. If these tips are helping you, click that like button. It helps others see this video. This next one could save you some time. You already know how to add a widget. But did you know that for many of the apps on your home screens, you can long press, and in the context menu that pops up, you'll see a row of visual widget icons right on the top. Just tap the specific layout size you want, and the app instantly transforms into a live widget right there on your grid. If you change your mind and want it back to normal, just long press it again, and tap the top left corner of the menu. It makes testing out different home screen layouts incredibly fast. Now that you know how to turn your apps into widgets, let's discuss a very useful widget. If you routinely use particular apps daily or weekly, I think you'll like this tip like I do. Long press your home screen background to enter jiggle mode. Tap the edit icon in the top left and tap Add Widget, and in the search bar type Siri and then select the Siri Suggestions widget. This will give you a clean grid of 8 app icons that at first glance looks like a random block of apps, but it's actually a predictive engine. It learns that you check your emails at 8 a.m., open your maps at 5 a.m. for the drive home, etc. These 8 icons will automatically morph throughout the day to give you the exact app you need based on your typical routine. If your routine involves more than 8, you can add multiple widgets together and create an entire homepage dedicated strictly to them. Also notice if you want to delete one of these widgets, just long press and select Remove Widget to delete the group of 8. This next tip makes homepage rearranging even easier. While we're on the topic of customizing home screens, you already know how to hide home screen pages by long pressing anywhere in the open space on a home screen. And while in jiggle mode, tap that small row of page dots right above the dock, and then uncheck the little circle under a page to hide a whole screen of apps. But did you know that if you want to rearrange these home pages, you can simply press and hold on a page and then move it? You can slide it around to completely arrange the order of your home screens from front to back in seconds. It's by far the fastest way to rearrange your entire setup. This next tip has completely changed how I set up appointments. If you ever found yourself running out the door stressed because you forgot to account for the traffic for an important appointment, your iPhone can help. First, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, and make sure Calendar is set to while using the app. With that in place, create an event with a location. Tap Travel Time and toggle it on. Now here's the trick. Select your starting location as your current location. This allows the app to use real-time GPS data to alert you exactly when you need to leave based on current traffic. When it's time for you to walk out the door to arrive on time, your iPhone will send a smart notification reminding you it's time to leave and typically gives you traffic conditions. It completely takes the guesswork out so that you can arrive on time. Next up is a hidden feature that millions of people miss simply because it's tucked under an icon that they never click. If you do a lot of online shopping and hate digging through emails just to track down shipping numbers and arrival dates, your iPhone is actually building a master delivery list for you right in the background. Open your Wallet app, tap the ellipsis in the top right corner, tap on the Orders button, and it opens a dedicated dashboard for order tracking and order history. Tap a month and select an order you wish to track. Anytime you purchase from a supported retailer using Apple Pay online, The tracking numbers, the shipping status, arrival dates are all automatically fed into this list. Now here's my favorite part. If you tap into any order to view the full details, your iPhone shows the exact related emails. It's a great time saver for organizing your online purchases. This next one is a quick privacy tip. If you ever wanted to post a photo of your kids or a crowded event and you needed to protect someone's identity, open any image in your Photos app, tap Edit at the bottom, and select the Cleanup tool. But take your finger and draw a loose circle directly over someone's face. You don't even have to be precise. It immediately recognizes that it's a human face. Instead of erasing the head entirely, it applies a crisp, pixelated safety filter right over the subject's facial features, flashing a banner that says, "Identity Protection Applied." Next is a quick hidden gesture inside the Messages app. Most people know that you can press and hold a text bubble to reply, to copy, or to react to it. But hardly anyone realizes you can do this. Open the Messages app in a conversation with multiple text bubbles. Press and hold directly on the text bubble, slide your finger around. Now you can tap other text bubbles to add to your stack if you like, then drag and drop to another conversation. Let me know in the comments below if this one is useful to you. If you've ever seen those gorgeous professional photos of silky smooth waterfalls or car headlights stretched out into those glowing light trails at night, your iPhone can do that automatically with a feature hidden inside your camera roll. When you take a photo of something moving, make sure Live Photo is turned on in your camera app. With that photo open in the Photos app, tap the Live button in the top left corner. From that menu, tap Long Exposure. Instantly, your iPhone stabilizes the background of the image and stitches all the frames of that live photo together. The moving water turns into a beautiful, silky smooth mist. And for live photos like this one with ocean waves, you can choose the loop option in that same menu to turn an ordinary photo into a video. Now, before we get to the life lesson, just a quick shout out to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. You guys are amazing. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's free to do. Looking back at all these hidden iPhone features, it reminds me of something that applies to life too. Most of these features were hiding in plain sight, behind a small icon or hidden in a menu. Life can be the same way. We get so caught up in the noise and the routines of everyday life that we overlook what's right in front of us. When we slow down, filter out the distractions, and look a little deeper, our perspective changes. Just like turning a live photo into a long exposure, what first looks like chaos can become something calm, meaningful, and even beautiful. So don't just skim through your days. Look a little deeper. You may discover that what you've been searching for is there all along. This is Mike with Easy and Simple, where we cover weekly iPhone tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.